And this is how foolish Instacart is, because the crazy thing is they dropped the drop. My boy, I'm on the phone with my brother right here. He's like, yo, they said, yo, they dropped it. They dropped it. Hey, look, first off, look what he got. Yo.
How many waters?
50 waters, bro. Back to back. Hey, back to back. Hey, back to back video drops today. Hey, yo, check this out. So we're in the process of hiring a dope videographer. What's up, money? How you doing? And we're gonna be dropping videos more constant. And you know what? We're not regular. We're not regular, so it ain't gonna be no regular, just Instacart videos. Y'all know how we get down, team run it up. And by the way, I'm leaving the country soon for something that I'm creating for everybody watching right now. So yeah, so that's gonna be cool. I'm not gonna say too much on that. You'll find out when you find out. You know what I'm saying? You'll find out when I do. Anyways, we are late today. My boy just said he swiped a 50 and I am on my way to the store to try to get a banger. Let's do this. First batch of the day, whack batch of the day, $22, 6 miles, 19 items. Not too bad. Not too bad. Right, Bell Pepper?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Oh man, it looks as most of this is produce, which I hate. When you're a new shopper, you like produce because you're like, oh yeah, everything's in the same area. It's easy. As you become a veteran, you're like, no produce, because produce sucks. All right, so we did produce easy. Once we get through produce, we good to go. We in frozen. Frozen is lovely. Like, look, what's this, like 6B? Hold on, I know exactly what this is. This is in the front. This ain't even in the walls. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, after produce, it's a piece of crumb cake. Look, there it is right up there. Boom, let's get it. Scan, boom, we scanned it. We never have these, but let's see if we have them today. Nope, we never have them. I'm telling you, they've been out for like 10 years. So we have a surprise guest. Oh, by the way, I finished the batch right here. Bang, 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 bang. Run it up, easy. Only $22, ain't nothing special, but we got a surprise guest coming out. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Where are you going? Why are you hitting me? Where are you going?
Hey.
Huh? Where are you going? And talk to everybody. Want to know what's going on. What's going on in your life?
Get my license.
Oh my gosh! So two crazy things just happened. Yo. And this is how foolish Instacart is, because the crazy thing is they dropped the drop. My boy, I'm on the phone with my brother right here. He's like, yo, they said, yo, they dropped it. They dropped it. Hey, look, first off, look what he got. Yo.
How many waters?
50 waters, bro. And it's a double, right? It's a double. It's a double batch. They gave my man 50 waters. Yo, for a double. Instacart, y'all are straight dirty, bro. Y'all are straight. Yo, everybody like this video so Instacart can see this video. Y'all are straight dirty. That's dirty, Instacart. How you gonna do that? How much was the batch in total?
63.
$63 double for 50 waters on one of the customers. That's horrible. And then on top of that, when you said you seen a drop, when it dropped for you, did it show me anything? Did it show me any batches when it dropped?
No, no batches, bro.
Nope, didn't show me any batches. So it dropped for him and no batches are on my screen yet for like the first, what, 5 minutes? Instacart, y'all messing up, bro. Y'all gonna get my man 50 waters on a double? That's slavery. Yo, bro, a freaking stupid, crazy order. Come with me, follow me. You got a batch?
I got the 60 again.
No, you didn't.
50 waters.
You got it again?
I got it again. It was 6-7. You showed me 6-7.
And you swiped it?
I swiped it.
No way.
Yeah. But I canceled, bro.
I'm gonna show you. No, you gotta see this, bro. You guys gotta see this batch as well. This is stupid. 4-8. 4-8. It's 4-8. 4-8. But look at my batch. Did you break your phone? No way. Look at this, man. This is how they're doing me. 20 minutes away. This is the first cart, bro. With all this stuff. Yo, Instacart is some doodoo balls today, bro. Instacart's doodoo balls. They try to give my man 50 waters and they just gave me over 20 sodas.
Really?
20 sodas, one customer.
Apartment? Is it apartment?
I don't know if it's, I don't think it's an apartment, but it's 21-minute delivery. 20 sodas, bro.
Hey, bro.
It's no good, bro.
Duty house?
No, I got it, bro. Hey, get your order, get your order. This how they doing me today, yo. They doing everybody like this today. It's dirty. Instacart straight grimy today. They grind balls today. They trying to get us. This is what they doing to us. But we gonna get it. Team run it up. Let's get it. Team run it up.